today is a perfect day for us to celebrate the significant milestone of our graduating batch. And on this happy occasion, of course, it's very important that we recognize the men and women who are behind the success of our dear graduating students. First, of course, to our dear... Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you po. This celebration is not just your children's. It is also po yours. Your anak, yan, okay? To the beautiful men and women as our graduating students. Okay? Ang gaganda nyo at ang gagwapo nyo, no? All of you have your own stories to tell about your challenges, your difficulties, your failures, but most importantly, your victories. That's why you are here this afternoon. And on Friday, that will sum up all of these difficulties and hardships you had. You will be receiving your diploma by Friday. Congratulations, please sit down. Mga, alam nyo na, medyo kinakapos yung grades and all, medyo nangangamba, but finally you're here. Big congratulations. You have finally completed your higher education at LPU Batangas. And we recognize not only your academic achievements, but your personal growth as well.
Nothing else makes me feel high. She's like such a light. It's good. Something about it changed my state of mind.
Shall reflect the commitment to excellence through truth and
Ba't ako magpapasalamat na yan? Maraming instrumento na binigay sa Friday na i-allow ng MPL dito. Okay? Red or shine po yun. Doon po tayo sa allow.
Technology to the degrees and titles 2025.
A pleasant good morning to each and everyone. Good morning. That's nice to hear. Alam niyo mo, ang pagbalik ko po dito sa LPU ay isang malaking karangalan and at the same time, if I may say, so excited. Kasi pamilya na tayo, tama po ba? Yugto ng kanilang buhay. Today, we are celebrating not just your academic achievement, but also your resilience, the bright future that awaits you in your chosen field of profession, and your transition to another exciting and challenging chapter of your life story.
Ay, nakakapit pa eh.
The Lyceans believe that the higher you toss your caps, combined with a strong faith in God, the greater your